空气，空气，空气。
Air.
Atmosphere.
Air. Atmosphere.
为了让家里的空气更加湿润，我们可以摆放一些绿色植物。为了让家里的空气更加湿润，我们可以摆放一些绿色植物。为了让家里的空气更加湿润，我们可以摆放一些绿色植物。
In order to make the air at home more humid, we can place some green plants.
In order to make the air at home more humid, we can place some green plants.
到户外呼吸新鲜空气对身体有好处。到户外呼吸新鲜空气对身体有好处。到户外呼吸新鲜空气对身体有好处。
Being outdoors and breathing fresh air is good for your body.
Being outdoors and breathing fresh air is good for your body.
空气污染对人体危害很大。空气污染对人体危害很大。空气污染对人体危害很大。
Air pollution is very harmful to the human body.
Air pollution is very harmful to the human body.
抽烟，抽烟，抽烟。
Smoking.
Smoking.
抽烟有害健康。抽烟有害健康。抽烟有害健康。
Smoking is harmful to health.
Smoking is harmful to health.
长期抽烟会导致癌症。长期抽烟会导致癌症。长期抽烟会导致癌症。
Long-term smoking can cause cancer.
Long-term smoking can cause cancer.
为了你的身体健康，别再抽烟了。为了你的身体健康，别再抽烟了。为了你的身体健康，别再抽烟了。
For your own health, stop smoking.
For your own health, stop smoking.
动作，动作，动作。
Action.
Action.
他做了一个动作，大家都静下来了。他做了一个动作，大家都静下来了。他做了一个动作，大家都静下来了。
He made a move, and everyone fell silent.
He made a move, and everyone fell silent.
他要求自己的每一个舞蹈动作都达到完美。他要求自己的每一个舞蹈动作都达到完美。他要求自己的每一个舞蹈动作都达到完美。
He demands perfection in every dance move he makes.
He demands perfection in every dance move he makes.
我喜欢看动作片。我喜欢看动作片。我喜欢看动作片。
I like watching action movies.
I like watching action movies.
帅，帅，帅。
Handsome.
Handsome.
她的男朋友很帅。她的男朋友很帅。她的男朋友很帅。
Her boyfriend is very handsome.
Her boyfriend is very handsome.
随着年龄的增长，他变得越来越帅。随着年龄的增长，他变得越来越帅。随着年龄的增长，他变得越来越帅。
As he grows older, he becomes more and more handsome.
As he grows older, he becomes more and more handsome.
提高你的知识，养成良好的习惯，你自然会变得越来越帅。 提高你的知识，养成良好的习惯，你自然会变得越来越帅。提高你的知识，养成良好的习惯，你自然会变得越来越帅。
Improve your knowledge and develop good habits, and you will naturally become more and more handsome.
Improve your knowledge and develop good habits, and you will naturally become more and more handsome.
出现，出现，出现。
Appear. Emerge.
Appear. Emerge.
最近，公司管理出现了很多问题。最近，公司管理出现了很多问题。最近，公司管理出现了很多问题。
Recently, there have been many problems in company management.
Recently, there have been many problems in company management.
偶像一出现，就吸引了很多粉丝围观。偶像一出现，就吸引了很多粉丝围观。偶像一出现，就吸引了很多粉丝围观。
As soon as the idol appeared, it attracted many fans to watch.
As soon as the idol appeared, it attracted many fans to watch.
新技术的出现改变了人们的生活。新技术的出现改变了人们的生活。新技术的出现改变了人们的生活。
The emergence of new technologies changes people's lives.
The emergence of new technologies changes people's lives.
后悔，后悔，后悔。
Regret.
Regret.
为了将来不后悔，不要那么快做决定。为了将来不后悔，不要那么快做决定。为了将来不后悔，不要那么快做决定。
In order not to regret it in the future, don't make decisions so quickly.
In order not to regret it in the future, don't make decisions so quickly.
他后悔没有提前做好准备。他后悔没有提前做好准备。他后悔没有提前做好准备。
He regretted not making preparations in advance.
He regretted not making preparations in advance.
他对自己之前的所作所为感到后悔。他对自己之前的所作所为感到后悔。他对自己之前的所作所为感到后悔。
She regrets what she has done before.
She regrets what she has done before.
谢谢观看。